everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to get this look that I'm wearing right here. It's like a dark vampy look, which I'm all about. I love those looks. They're some of my favorite looks. And so yeah, so if you want to see how to get this look that I'm wearing, just keep on watching. So I went ahead and did my face makeup off camera just because I don't really have any new routines for it at the moment, and you've already seen me do it a bunch of times, so I figured I would save some time and just skip ahead to my face makeup. So I am contouring and bronzing my face using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the color Light. I'm just using a fluffy EcoTools brush to put this on my cheekbones, at my temples, and just doing the use, you know? But I want it to be a little bit glowy, so I'm taking my Pure Cosmetics trio thingy, I don't remember what it's called, but I'm taking the bronzer shade out of that palette, which has a little bit of sparkle to it, and I'm just adding this over the top of my bronzer. And it's definitely really deep for my skin tone, so I have to be really careful and use a light hand, so I'm using just a really fluffy Luxie brush to put that over the top of my bronzer with. And then for my highlight, I am using my ColourPop Flexitarian highlight, and I love this highlight so much, but lately I've been using a beauty blender to apply it with because I find that it just gives such a nice finish and a little bit more natural, not quite as cray-cray. And then I've been putting this on underneath my blush. Normally I do the opposite, I do blush and then highlighter, but I just find that using that highlight over the blush kind of covers up the blush a little bit, so I've been doing it the opposite. So now I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Color Icon blush, and I believe the color is Rosé Champagne, I think is what it's called. So I'm just putting that on top of my cheekbones and kind of covering up the highlight, and yeah. Now I'm just going over everything with my beauty blender like normal, just to make sure that everything kind of melts together nicely and make sure I get rid of any harsh lines. And then I'm using my Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe palette. Sorry for my terrible accent, but I'm using the color Cafecito, and I'm just doing a simple eyeliner with this. I just decided to keep it simple, not anything too crazy, so I'm just doing a winged liner, and that's about it. Once I had the eyeliner where I wanted it, I just went back over the tops of it using a little pointed pencil brush with no additional product. And I just wanted it to be a little bit more diffused looking, so I just buffed it out. And then I ran a little bit of the Cafecito color underneath my eyes as well. Then to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and also my brow bone, I'm using the color La Costa. I don't know what was happening with my hair back there. I'm getting a little cray. So then for my lips, I'm going in with my Milani liquid lipstick in the color Devotion. And I wanted to put this underneath the darker color I'll be putting on in a minute, just because the darker color can tend to be a little bit patchy, so I wanted it to have a nice base. So I started with a red, and I just did a really light layer of this. And then for the darker color, that is my Wet n Wild liquid lipstick, and that is in the color Goth Topic, and I just put that over the top of that red. And to finish everything off, and to make sure that everything melts together, I am using my Color Effects setting spray, the luminizing setting spray, and then that's it. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so, and please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! No. You are very cute, but you're in my way.